Hey everybody, how's it going here? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks, and it's Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. The market just closed about 20 minutes ago, and I've got some charts here that we're going to update on the Road to Wealth watch list. Not a bad day in the market, not bad at all. Kind of a wall of worry sort of climb here, but we are climbing out right now, and I'm going to remain a little bit to the bullish side. The SPY is trending up here. The diamonds, you can see that they are trending up. Here, let's get rid of that and then put this line on there. There we go. You can see we're trending up. The Qs, on the other hand, well, that's a little different story, isn't it? They continue to trend to the downside. So they may give us some trouble here. I tend to watch the SPY, and I tend to follow whatever the SPY does. So the SPY right now is trending up, so I'm going to kind of hang with that. FNGU, I follow this an awful lot, and you can see that it's not doing too well here either. So I think we definitely need a little help here. I really do. But I'm also seeing more bullish charts than I am bearish charts. So because of that, and because of the SPY here trending up still, and now that we've broken out of this little downtrend here, I'm going to remain to the bullish side. Now, if this starts to break down, I'm going to quickly switch gears and get to the short side. In fact, there's one chart. I'll put it on the watch list here. What was it? Snap. One of the members in the trading room pointed out Snap blue ice failure. So I did short this tonight. We have a nice blue ice failure here, so we'll be looking for more downside. If it does turn around and start moving up, well, we'll just simply be stopped out. Just that simple. We've got a top here. We've rallied down, rallied up, rallied down, actually continued down. And we kind of based out here, and the bulls could not put it together. So maybe they're going to let go for a while, push this back, and then maybe buyers will come in. But in the meantime, we've got a short on this, looking for more downside. So nice blue ice failure here. And I'll add that to the watch list just now. Okay, let's take a look at some charts here. Let's start with Honeywell, HON. Really quick, I want to reach out and say thank you to everybody for watching our video. I truly appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, please do. Just reach over and click that subscribe button and subscribe. If you are interested in our trial to hit and run candlesticks and see what the Road to Wealth is all about, how we trade the Road to Wealth, and how we set things up to double our account every year. And we've succeeded. So it's not like, well, we want to do that. We've succeeded with that. In fact, we've more than doubled the account. And but anyway, check out the link below. There's a 30-day trial. It's only $49 if you want to learn about what we do. Come in the room, ask questions. We're open about everything. And anyway, maybe you'll gain some insight. Okay, let's talk about Honeywell here. I like the candle today. I like what we did here. It got a little scrappy in here, but it held up well, and now we're starting to come back up. So I'm looking at Honeywell for a long. We have a top here we need to break out of. Some traders will wait simply till it breaks out, and I might even wait for that too. I might decide, I'm going to look at a buy inside this area here, typical buy box kind of thing. I just can't say what tomorrow's going to be like. I can't say what Friday's going to be like. I can't say what Monday or next week's going to be like. I can't predict what the overall market is doing. All I know, if things stay the way they are at this moment, then I will look for a buy in Honeywell. And it might be in this area, and it might be in this area. No guarantees. I do know that when I buy, I post out to let everybody know what the Road to Wealth is doing, just so you can keep track of the account, things like that. So we'll post that in there. VZ, Verizon. Verizon, it may be time to start thinking about that. So I wrote this down today, and we will start thinking about it. So what we've got is a downtrend here, and the downtrend has been broken, a low to a high to a higher low. We're trying to get to that higher high. Let's put a line right in there. There we go. There we go. So this could be a buy right in this area. And again, I'll just raise, what am I going to do here? See if I can do this. Oh, there we go. And it might be a buy in this area here. I'm looking for this chart to move up to some places like this, maybe here, and maybe up here. So I don't have to be in a hurry to get in it. I could get in here. Still going to make the money that we want to make. We're not in the business of picking bottoms and picking tops, so we don't have to be in anything early. We just have to wait till the chart comes to us. The trend is acceptable. The entry point is acceptable, and then we'll just trade the chart based on that. So I do see where we may be buying in this area here, and I see where we may be buying in this area here. HAL is another one. Might have to get some HAL here. I'm kind of liking what this is doing. Overall, oil seems to be doing pretty good, and HAL is giving us a little bit of a pullback here with some bullish activity today. So what I would be looking for is just a inside day buy, or even a little bit of a breakout buy. Look for that area right there. So we're adding HAL, bringing that up on the Road to Wealth watch list. KR, like what KR is doing. I liked it so well, I actually bought some today. Take a look at the weekly chart. Beautiful bullish engulf, and so far we have confirmation. We are running into a little bit of resistance in here. But resistance to me is just a speed bump to get to where you're going. That's all it is, a speed bump to get to where you're going. We've got a nice little low, a rally up. We've got a higher low. Chart is acting good. Nice little consolidation here. Just looking for that follow through and take us on up. How about we look at 37, and maybe we look at 38 up here as possible target areas. JP Morgan is also setting up pretty nice. JP Morgan, a little bit of a top. So let's do that. Let's put that top in there. There we go. You can see that we actually closed over that today. So tomorrow, what I'm going to do is put the buy box in an area like this right here, about halfway, maybe a little lower than that candle, a little lower than halfway. So we'll look for that entry in this area with a possible move to the upside. As far as a stop goes, pretty much anything below today's candle or below the T-line would be stopped out on. ATKR is another one setting up. You've got a Fig Newton chart pattern here. Fig Newton chart pattern is when you have, just like the cookie Fig Newton, you have the outside and you have the inside and then the outside. So bullish, not so bullish, bullish. We can see here that we have this top in here. You see where we've broken out. So if we, what is it today? Wednesday, Tuesday. So if it was Monday and it broke out, what I would do is, here we broke out. What I would do is I would put the buy box on that, just like that, around Monday, okay? It could have been bought yesterday, and then today's Wednesday. Certainly could have been bought today. but we didn't buy it, and mainly I didn't even see it till today. I don't know where we missed that or anything, but just didn't even see it. So we'll be looking for another inside day or a slight little breakout here, and we'll take that breakout. Nice, beautiful trending chart here, looking excellent. And we'll just watch for that positive trading on it. Kellogg, I'm seeing a lot of defensive stocks starting to straighten up, and I like what K is doing. We've been in a downtrend of the 50-period moving average for quite a while. You can clearly see that. You can also clearly see that the 50, for the most part, has rejected any kind of bullish move. Now, we've broken out over the 50, but it quickly went below, right? What makes this one any different? Well, nothing really at this point. Nothing. Nothing at all. So what we're looking for on this is, you can see these three candles up here, these three bars. I'm looking for follow through. Oh, we put this line up, see how we connect here. We see a little argument between the buyers and sellers here. I think that's fair. So I think what I'm going to be looking for is a buy on positive trading up here. Positive trading. So we have a nice little double bottom going on. Let's put that in there. There we go. Nice little double bottom here. We've rallied up. We've pulled back to make a low. We start to break out. I think that might be a good sign. So I think we'll look at that. I also see a bullish W pattern in here. There we go. We go from anywhere up here you want. Just go down to this right in here. Go up to that high right there. And then anywhere you want down here. And then up here. And see right that area that I'm looking to buy in. That would be a breakout of that bullish W pattern. So I think that might be a good area. So I might be looking at K for an entry above pretty much 60 bucks. We'll look at that. Alrighty. That's it. That's all I have for today. What time is it? Man, 12 minutes, going on 12 and a half minutes on this video. Again, if you have not subscribed and you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, we would love to have you. So please just click that subscribe button. If you want to check us out, hit run Candlesticks and check out how we trade that road to wealth account. Come on over. Give that link below a click for that 30-day trial and come on into the trading room. If you do, make sure that you, and you'll receive an email, download the app that goes on your phone, your smartphone, and you'll be alerted of trades we take, trades we close, and trades we adjust. All right, everybody take care. Have a wonderful evening out there, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks again.